creating some distance from the regular digital forms of money. Uniswap works on a decentralized P2P trade computerized market creator to empower the exchanging of crypto resources. Additionally, it works on customary trades. Before we dive into the Uniswap cost expectation, let us view a portion of the interesting elements of Uniswap. Being connected to Ethereum empowered as two brilliant agreements to procure interest. Uniswap has a special component and give liquidity straightforwardly from liquidity suppliers. This component of Uniswap goes about as a significant impetus in completely eliminating the obstacle concerning token mining. In a way, it advances straightforwardness dispensing with the go-betweens or consent completely. Subsequently, rather than the singular cryptographic forms of money, the advanced resources are connected as matches. Consequently, the liquidity gets represented for these parts as needs be. As a decentralized convention for computerized liquidity arrangement on ETH, Uniswap shocked the whole crypto space when during pandemic Uniswap chose to send off this token Uni on September 17, 2020. This was wizardry for that large number of holding Uniswap as they turned tycoons on September 17, 2020. While overwhelming the crypto world, a rush of stages administration token began administering the crypto conversations once more. Look at the Unicoin subtleties before we leap to nitty-gritty Uniswap cost forecast. Uniswap, figuring out details. The vision of Uni stands tall and firm, leaving impressions on the mechanical and utilitarian ecospace. Uni supports trust alongside comfort, making the existences of the Uniswap clients overall simple. There are factors separated from the over that administer the Uniswap cost impartially viz. The connection among market interest is the well-established peculiarity of incongruous connection works for Uni token. Dealers come to advertise with goals that the Uniswap digital money market they hold will guarantee incredible returns. Nonetheless, because of pandemic, financial backers are constrained to search for other supporting techniques or any elective momentum venture choice. In the event that the interest for decentralized finance applications goes up, it will be good for Uni tokens as well. The more the holders begin purchasing the token for an immense scope, no big surprise the cost will go childhood, the stockpile might descend. Uniswap change in cost occurring over these midpoints will areas of strength for show. Presently, the cost of $40 is shown by Uniswap as moderate yet sharp and can shoot to better level. According to Uniswap Uni cost expectations, this is the most proper chance to book benefit in the Uniswap by taking advantage of your abilities as a swing dealer. To comprehend the value variances of Uni better, it would be great to dig further into the past account of Uniswap. Uniswap, the well-qualified assessment. While the underlying stage for Uniswap didn't see a lot of worthiness with the majority, it required investment for Uni projections to construct that trust and work towards it. Without a doubt, it arose as a pioneer in the most recent 24 hours. Cost stands tall at the cost of $40.30 today. Here are numerous crypto specialists who believe that Uni has gigantic potential and energize financial backers giving shining proposals to trade as beneath for this computerized resource by giving Uniswap expectation. At long last beam of trust, there is potential for uniting patterns that point towards the way that there is potential for Uniswap and show it might go on a higher feeling. As per Uniswap figure, the cost might reach 79 cents toward the finish of December 2022 for the time being. As per Uni cost expectation, Uniswap appears to show a bullish pattern, which demonstrates a positive sign to a financial backer for getting a monstrous return from Uniswap. As indicated by Uniswap value expectation and specialized examination, it appears Uniswap's chance. It presently exchanges at very nearly multiple times more than beginning in 2022. So this pattern proceeds with will be seen till December 2022. And the cost might go up to $9.38. Uniswap value forecast, 2022 to 2026. The main help factor about pandemic is that it has not done any kind of separation with regards to monetary forms. The vast majority of the government-issued types of money, as well concerning digital currencies, have met with a similar lamentable destiny. Numerous financial backers are as yet catching the conflict of the excess titans, thinking about whether it is truly worth putting resources into Uniswap, despite the fact that the coin has shown an extraordinary supporting execution somewhat recently. Many market coaches deduce the bull run could be far off, while the others banter altogether in an unexpected way. The cost graph is referenced here alongside the Uniswap forecast. The ongoing cost of Uni is above $10, with the computerized resource Uni token having a market capitalization of $6,707,508,563. It is without a doubt a good faith in crypto space winning in the far-off skyline in view of Uniswap cost estimate. The ongoing ATH and new ATH will have tremendous distinction. Uniswap value expectation 2022. Having begun late in last year, the Uniswap value activity will ride a bullish pattern all through 2022, will keep riding news waves proceeding into 2023. Some in the middle of between the years 2022 and 2023, the value developments of USD should have been visible, taking it to a higher point fixed at $15, followed by a prompt sharp remedy toward the finish of 2022. Taking into account the principal year, as per Unicost forecast 2022, the base cost would reach to $12 and greatest cost to $15. The typical cost would be $13.50. Uniswap value expectation 2023. Fluctuating somewhere in the range of $14 and $17 as per Uniswap cost expectation 2023. The cost of Uniswap might show some obstruction, however it can't be said with conviction about the positive difference in cost of Uni regarding whether these 3 years would check the brilliant time for this digital currency Uni. There could be a few tremendous changes in crypto industry situations, market positions, financial overwhelms, strategy rebuilding, or some other political justification for the coin to have its exhibition on trade. Uni, in any case, is known to be strong and predictable. Both worldwide financial matters may too affect Uniswap cost development. As per Uniswap expectation, the base cost would reach to $14 and most extreme cost to $17.20. The typical cost would be $15. Uniswap value forecast 2024. A few specialists likewise foresee, as per Unicost forecasts, that value revision may likewise be powerful around this period, taking the Uniswap cost around $18 in 2024, riding as a market creator. In the main, a portion of the cost would reach up to $18.50. District explicit changes also influence the cost of Uniswap, subsequently coming towards its cutting-edge objectives. One thing that can be ensured about the Uni token is that the stars are splendid for this resource. Having upset the whole worldwide page of exchanges, Uni token sets out on the journey of leaving an exceptional impression on this biological system. Uniswap value expectation 2025. According to Uniswap value expectation and our own examination, a few hypotheses around the cost of Uniswap in 2023 likewise features that Uni would ride the positively trending market by 2025. Uni could try and arrive at another high of $22. Uniswap appears now to competition to set a record, insisting its position showing dependability. As per Uniswap forecast, in the principal half, it would go up to $16 and the most extreme cost would reach to $23 in the year 2025. Uniswap value expectation 2026. As per Unicost expectation, as this year is gone before by the mining occasion, there ought to be a bullish development driving the cost of Uniswap to go on towards a base value level of $25 without a doubt. In the primary half it would reach to $24 and in the drawn out it would reach to $26. This ought to be a decent Uniswap figure, fascination for brokers and individual financial backers to empty in their cash into UniKitty. And we could see positive cost change, as indicated by Uniswap cost expectation. There are extraordinary expectations the crypto local area holds for Uni, and it is most likely an ideal apparatus for designers and specialists creating all the more such decentralized applications. Taking